What's going on, everyone, and welcome to another recap video of the Pedal Commander. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you are a new viewer, my name is JP, and I hope you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications of when we drop new videos. And if you're feeling really awesome today, please hit that thumbs up at the end of this video. It helps our channel grow. Alright, so last week, or the last video I left off, I was on Sport Mode +4, and we got to 11.4 miles per gallon, and that was actually one of the worst miles per gallon, I think, of this whole testing of the Pedal Commander. And then I switched to Sport Mode +3. So that's what I was running this last trial period. I did the 200 mile gallon test, and this is how much we got. I just finished up on Sport Mode +3, and we came to the end. So our miles per gallon is 12.5. Alright, so Pedal Commander Sport Mode +3 came in at 12.5 miles per gallon. Definitely one of the better modes that I've been running for this Jeep. Sport Mode +4 came in at 11.4 miles per gallon, and that was actually one of the worst modes that I've run for the Jeep, but it's still not the best mode. Sport Mode +2 is still leading at 13.1 miles per gallon, and I will have to say Sport Mode +3 is still kind of like driving like Sport Mode +4 and +2. There's a lot of responsiveness to the Jeep when you press the pedal, so you definitely have that added bonus of being able to get the Jeep to pick up right away without that lag. So as I said in that last video, I was gonna turn off the Pedal Commander and run another 200 mile test, so that way I can get a benchmark for not using the Pedal Commander, and then compare that to now these tests on all the different modes. So for the past couple days I've been running the Pedal Commander off, and I recently filled the Jeep up, I think it was a couple days ago. So you'll see here I reset the miles per gallon, and now with that all reset, we'll get this benchmark of daily driving with the Jeep on no Pedal Commander, and then I'll be able to compare that now to these new findings. Once that's done, I'm going to switch over. I think I was going to go back to City Mode +3, and then I might go down to the Eco Mode and try those out and compare that. But so far, I don't think I'm seeing the 20% improvement in gas mileage that the Pedal Commander claims. Would I get rid of the Pedal Commander based on that? Probably not. I think I feel a little safer, and my wife feels a little safer driving with the Pedal Commander on, just because you get that responsiveness to the gas pedal. So especially when you're pulling out into traffic, you're pulling away from corners and stop signs, the Jeep is more responsive, and you don't hit the gas pedal and just kind of sit there for a second or two waiting for the computer to recognize the gas pedal. So yeah, so I guess it's up to you if you ultimately are going to go with one of these throttle controllers, but so far I don't think I would get rid of it, but yeah, probably not. Alright, so that was a quick little recap video. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And we also have some t-shirts available, which I've shown on the other videos. They're linked down below. It's in our Teespring store. If you want to go check those out, that'd be great. Every purchase goes towards helping make more videos on this channel. And that's all I got for now. Stay tuned for some new install videos coming, and I'll see you on the next video or on the trail.